Now the first thing I have to do before I even undo the cover plate on there is I want to turn that on, make sure my actual light is working, and in fact, of course it is. Now I can go down and find it on the electrical panel what circuit that I need to turn off before I start working on this dimmer switch. It's very, very important to always do that before you start pulling this apart, forgetting about it and taking this out and shocking yourself or even worse. Okay, first things first, turn that power off. Unbelievable, wow. I went back and forth to the electrical panel, over 10 times to find this one. It was under hall and pantry. Okay. I've determined that nothing, all the power's off to this now. So I'm just kind of tapping on this to gently remove it, because the walls have just freshly been painted. I was wanting to make sure that that was going to come off without ripping the paint off. Okay, so I got that off. Now I'm going to take these two mounting screws off. Boy, these dimmers heat up too. This one feels mighty warm. Gently pull that out of the wall, and we'll see what's going on with that. I think you can see that okay. Yeah, you can see it. Now there's two black wires coming out of it and a green wire, and generally that means there's going to be wire nuts up in here. Gently pull them out. Okay. There's three wire nuts. Actually, there's a fourth wire nut back in there, but we don't have to mess with that one because we only have to concern ourselves with the ones coming out of this dimmer switch. Now the green, I'm going to undo that first. It really doesn't matter. The power's off. I'm going to reuse this, remember? This is not solid wire, it's stranded wire, and I'm just going to take all the ends and kind of keep them together like that. And on these, it doesn't matter. See, the green is for the ground, and the ground inside the box usually is a bare copper wire. If it's not, look for something that is green, okay? There's that. Now we're going to undo these other ones. And just going to take the ends and tighten them back up. And I'm going to save these wire nuts. See, I'm just going to untwist that a little bit. That'll be all ready to put in the next room, okay? That's what you want so far. You can do this. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.